So dito kami nag-check ng mga condo, rental apartments. Pala yung mga ano, yun yung maganda kapag nasa downtown ka, malapit ka sa mga transportation. So type din namin talagang tumira sa city. Diba? Kung bibigyan na opportunity talaga, diba? Dito talaga gusto namin. Super lamig sa labas. So ito yung lobby. So this is the one bedroom. Yeah, it's big. The problem is the parking. It's $200. Okay sa'yo? So, meron silang walk-in closet. Kasi yung heater nila. So,
safety naman.
ano? So, meron ditong storage pantry at ito, mirror. So, ayan. At ito yung view. Yeah, actually, I thought it's a first floor. So, 2 bedroom. So, ito yung 2 bedroom, 2,400. So, ito yung second bedroom niya. So, ang laki din. Ito yung 2,400. Ang laki ng closet niya, oh. Actually, ang ganda. Magaan yung pintuan. Kasya naman dito. Ito yung gusto ng anak ko na bedroom. Quartz. See? There are sketches.
Hindi talaga maiwasan.
Medyo luma, no? Pero okay na din. Sa 2 bedroom. So, ito yung view niya. Mas gusto ko yung ganito, nasa 3rd floor. At ito yung laki ng room. So, ito yung view. Ba talaga pag nasa city ka, oh. Dami nakikita na view. So, 1 bedroom lang na tayo. Malaki nga siya. Malaki. Sakto lang sana sa yung 2 bedroom. Kasi sayang kasi yung isa sili. So, ang ganda guys. Maganda talaga. So, yun. Ganda na ko dito sa washer. Bago-bago. So, ganito yung bahay na 2 bedroom. Sakto-sakto sa amin. Nga pala yung reception niya at lobby. So, ganyan ka-simple yung design. So, ito pala guys yung building niya sa labas. Ganito yung preferred ko, yung black building. Kasi ito yung mga binilt ito 2019, no? Bago-bago pa. 2017, mga ganun. So, ganyan sana ang preference namin talaga. Newer building para hindi mahal yung kuryente. So, nandito na tayo sa building number 3. So, ito yung building. So, ito yung building niya. Medyo, ano na to, siguro mga 10-year-old building ito. At maganda yung unit sa picture. So, titingnan natin sa actual. So, ang rent na dito ay 2,495 kasama na yung parking at utilities. So, yun na nagustuhan ko. Kasama na yung utilities. Yun talaga yung budget. Kasama na lahat-lahat. So, ayan. So, doon na tayo sa next building. Sa Mississauga naman tayo. Kasi dito sa North York. So, ayan. Try na natin yung buhay sa city. So
Just
this
watch
is
out.
the
Watch
washer.
your back. I just need to shut the door. The owners have never lived here. Nothing here has ever been used. I believe they just received off.
Yeah, they're very excited that we're gonna move here.
Beautiful view from the front.
Yeah. But we can lock it, right?
Kid, my kid's 8. If you've ever had any issues in the past, know that we are, you can help guide you that way because there's a lot of landlords doing whatever they want to do that doesn't follow the
Shopping mall.
RTA Act, and then all these things, but in truth they don't, right? So at least you know with this property here, myself, we work together and we are very, because again, it's hard to make decisions when rest assured, the landlord here is very good, the property manager here is also very good. And of course, you guys also have me, right? I'm gonna be the one who's
Maganda siya, luxury. At yung bathroom na gusto.
your first line.
Ganda ng view. Tatanong ko yung link.
So that this way they say, okay, you can do it, you have paper that's gonna protect you, you said I can do it.
That's why I like this unit.
Action, and it isn't costing you anything.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. But let's take a look.
Ganda guys, super perfect
see the
nito.
bathroom?
It's really nice. So bagong-bago talaga siya, oh.
Brand new. So
Ganda.
sometimes not.
Gusto niyo yung comparisons. So this is a 2-bedroom. So, walang promo pala ito na 1 month free. Unlike dun sa iba. Pero ang ganda ng balcony niya guys ha. Downtown. So, ito yung balcony niya. So, problem here is walang bubong yung balcony. Walang roof. Mababasa tayo dito pag umuulan. So, ayan. Malaki yung balcony niya pero wala siyang roof. So, ideal to para sa mga corporate. At saka, maganda kasi dito guys, no? Sa mga rental buildings like this, mostly mga work from home, yung mga occupants dito. High ceiling. Ganda ng ano niya, sahig. They have a walk-in closet. Common CR. Maganda.
Yeah. The wash.
So, combo. Washer and dryer. Yeah. So, they have this
I see.
bedroom number 2.
For you whenever you move in. But yeah, it's really nice. I like this. It's like a little pictures and touches. The gray and the white is a nice added
And
feature
it
as
has
well.
two bedrooms.
Yeah, we sadly don't have any 3 beds in the entire building.
Yeah.
We have 2 plus dens, but they're mostly.
So, ang ganda nitong mirror na to. Pinaka-closet. Lagayan ng mga jackets, winter coats.
And I had my roommate
Yeah.
who was shorter, so she had to get a step stool. It does face our outdoor terrace, so privacy might be a bit of an issue unless terrace that will have fire pits, gas barbecues, outdoor cooking. Got these balls, the cool arcade machines that you can
Yeah.
go ahead and.
So, there's a
So you need to
bedroom
pay
here.
the arcade now.
No, it's unlimited uses. Yeah.
There's an art wall here. So, here's the fitness room. Tayo nasa clothes. So, ganito kalawak yung fitness room nila. There's another fitness room here. Much private. Yoga. So, bedroom unit number 2.
So if you look around, that's like.
The same then, yung So this is 2,150. Parang mas malaki siya kaysa dun sa... Yeah, this is much bigger than the first one.
Yes, it's much quicker. You get that walking closet at the front, you get
Hindi
that
ko abot.
pantry. Have it complete by the summertime, which is weather has been not so cooperative sadly.
This is already new. This is much higher ceiling,
You're right.
right? So the ceiling are lawak ng room nyo. The room is very massive, much massive.
Loud out there. So it's not like they're gonna be having crazy parties after 10 p.m.
Yeah.
You know.
So this one is 2,100, right? So 2,100. Yung una is 2,035. So 100 difference lang siya. Mas malaki to.
It's an $80
So may walk-in closet din dito at ito yung kanya. Master bedroom pala to kasi may sarili siyang bath. This is brighter.
the ceilings in this one because it's on the lower level. Your Costco, your gas, even like a prepaid Visa card, you could do Sephora and Amazon. Other than that, I can like it's like either or. We offer that incentive, but this one I have probably more leeway because of where it's situated. Yeah.
So we need to.
So ito yung lobby
Yeah,
entrance.
like it's like any standard.
So ito guys yung building 100 Fullerton dito sa London downtown. So yung nakita nating unit, yung una is 2,035 at yung pangalawa is 2,150, no? Just 80 difference lang siya. At ang parking is 150. Medyo mahal compare sa Aki King yung parking. So ito guys yung building, 1-year-old building. Bagong-bago siya. So ito guys yung building, bago siya at brand new 1-year-old building. So dito muna tayo sa Tesla. So meron pa tayong 30 minutes drive test dahil first time nating mag-drive ng Tesla. So magpapalit na ba tayo ng sasakyan? Downgrade tayo dapat.
In 200 meters, turn left
So
onto
dito muna
Fanshawe Park
tayo
Road East.
sa parking lot. Medyo traffic dito. At pasara na din yung mall at 5 p.m. So ang ganda ng Tesla guys. So parang bagay siya sa akin. Kasi ano siya,
Now
automatic
turn left
na
onto Fanshawe Park Road East.
nagbe-brake kahit hindi mo i-push yung brake. So meron pang 30 minutes drive. Then before 5 p.m. kasi magko-close na yung mall. So maganda activity to na i-try yung mga futuristic car dito. So ayan, mag-highway muna tayo. Test natin yung cruise control. At ang dami niyang magagandang features So ayan, kasi para sa akin gusto ko lang mag-rent a car. Hindi ko kailangan bumili ng Tesla
Now turn left onto
So,
North Center Road.
kung gusto ko talaga mag-drive, syempre, rent a car na lang muna tayo para matry natin.
Hindi ng kapit ng gulong.
In 200 meters.
Lunch namin for this week so bago kami simba. So lunch muna tayo. So ngayon naman guys, may cooking vlog tayo. Magluluto tayo ng miso soup. So ito yung mga ingredients. Dahil ito talaga yung madalas orderin namin kapag nasa Japanese restaurant kami. Miso soup. So talagang favorite namin yan. At kulang ako na ingredients, yung dashi broth. Since hindi ako nakabili nun, itatry natin gamitin yung Knorr cubes. So ito lang yung mga ingredients niya. Basic na basic lang. Sa 10 minutes lang natin itong gagawin. So unang gagawin natin ay maghihiwa muna tayo ng spring onions. So ito naman yung tofu. So, vegetarian, pang mga vegan recipes to. So, ito yung pinaka-important na ingredients. So, ito naman, ano rin to, ito yung mga ingredients. Yan, favorite natin to. So, since wala tayong nabili na dashi powder, gagamit tayo ng shrimp na Knorr cubes. At ilalagay na natin to. So, pag kumukulo, ilalagay lang natin. So, napakadali lang yan. So, habang kumukulo, ilalagay lang natin lahat ng mga ingredients. At 10 minutes lang natin itong papakuluin. So, ito yung maganda kapag mga gusto natin mga healthy soup. So, ganyan lang siya. So, 2 pakete ng seaweeds yung nilagay ko. At, pakuluan muna natin siya bago natin ilagay itong soya bean paste. Ito talaga yung nagpapasarap dyan. Ito na yung pinaka-important na ingredients. Yung paste. So, habang kumukulo siya, linawin lang natin ito. Sobrang sarap. Di na natin kailangan pumunta sa restaurant dahil napakadali lang niyang gawin. At healthy pa itong soup na to. So, maganda ito yung bibilhin nyo. Gluten-free or organic na soybean paste. Ito yung pinaka-importanteng ingredients. At nabili pala namin to sa Real Canadian. Dahil wala akong nakita sa TNT or sa mga Chinese grocery. Sa Real Canadian ko lang to nakita. Dun lang yung may stock.